Welcome everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove background in Photoshop. Well, there are many ways to remove background in Photoshop, and this method is one of them. So let's get started. First of all, you need to duplicate the layer one, and we're going to work on the duplicate layer. So select the duplicate layer and go to channels, select blue channel and duplicate the blue channel, and select the duplicate blue channel and go to image and levels and adjust the level. Drag this middle one towards left and also the right one to the left. Okay, I think we're good here, and click OK just a little bit here and then click OK. So now what we're going to do is press Control and click on the duplicate blue channel. Now let's go to layers, and then we're going to add layer mask. Okay, now click on the layer mask and invert it by pressing Control I. So now when we turn off this layer 1, we can see that the background is gone. So now we can check this by duplicating this layer 1, and then we're gonna drag the layer like this. Okay, okay. So now we can see that we have removed the background and we have changed the background. So this is how you can remove background in Photoshop. As I said before, this is one of many ways to do it. I hope you liked this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit like, leave a comment, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already.